Okay, so hello everyone and welcome to the third video of my channel. And the first two videos were based on, the first video was on history book list and the second one was for geography book list, right? And we saw the two types of books, that is one for Hindi and one for English. Okay, and now today our session will be for polity, for class 6th, for class 6th, for class 6th book for polity. You can see here political science, social and political life, right? And the second one is samajik evam rajnitik jeevan. You can see here also samajik evam rajnitik jeevan. So the cover pages of both the textbooks are same. Okay, it's just the difference of language. Then for next is for class 7th. For class 7th is for class 7th political sciences, social and political life. Okay, part 2. The one which we studied in class 6th was part 1. This one is part 2. Okay, part 2. So we will be doing this in class 7th. Then for class 8th, social and political life part 3. Okay, so again both the cover pages are same, just the difference of language. That is हमें class 6th, 7th and 8th we have to study the 3 parts of the same content. Okay, that is, it has its 3 part continuation. Okay, one is in class 6th, second part is in class 7th and the third part is in class 8th. Okay, then in class 9th it is Loktantric Rajniti. Let's look for class 9th also. Democratic politics. This is the cover page, democratic politics part 1. Okay, same goes for Hindi medium also. Okay, so Loktantric Rajniti. Again, the continuation of class 9th will be in class 10th. Class 10th. Democratic politics part 2. Okay, democratic politics part 2. Continuation of class 9th will be in class 10th for polity. Okay, for class 11th, class 11th has sorry, class 11th has 2 textbooks. Okay, class 11th has 2 textbooks. One is Indian Constitution at Work and Political Theory. These 2 textbooks are very important for our preparation, right? हमें अगर अपना जर्नी स्टार्ट करना है, so first हमको पहले लक्ष्मीकांत पे नहीं जाना. We don't have to go on लक्ष्मीकांत first, right? हमको पहले अपना बेस क्लियर करना है. So for completing our base, हमें पहले क्या करना है? To complete our base, we have to first read these textbooks. Okay, that is from class 6 to class 12. सिर्फ मेरा नहीं, आप कोई भी टॉपर स्टॉक देखेंगे, आप किसी भी टॉपर की बातें सुनेंगे, they will suggest you that only कि आपको पहले NCERT पढ़ना है. NCERT is must. So हमारा पहला टारगेट क्या है? टू कवर NCERT, राइट? और अगर आप 6 to 10th नहीं भी पढ़ रहे हैं, अगर आप 9 to 12th भी पढ़ रहे हैं, that is must. That is okay. ऐसा कोई इशू नहीं है, आप 9 to 12th ही करिए. But yes, 11th and 12th book are very important, especially this Indian Constitution at Work book and the Political Theory book. It will make your aspect, your dimension of thinking in a more broad way. आप जो आपकी thinking है वो और broad होगी after reading these books. Why? Because political science is a subject जो एक dates या एक इवेंट पे नहीं होता है, हमें उसके अलावा भी हमारी सराउंडिंग से चीजें अडेप्ट करनी होती है, राइट? सो इस वजह से ये बुक मस्ट है. देन क्लास 11th you can see text books are, cover pages are same, right? Now let's come 12th political science has two books, right? 11th also has 2 books and class 12th also has 2 books. So contemporary world politics, and the other one is politics in India since independence. Okay, so these books are very important. आप कोई भी बुक पढ़ेंगे, आपको पहले लक्ष्मीकांत पे नहीं जाना है. ओके आप कोई भी टॉपर स्टॉक देखेंगे तो आपको यही हमेशा गाइडेंस मिलेगा, फर्स्ट थिंग इज टू कवर एनसीईआरटी, राइट। सो इसी वजह से हमने अपना स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द वीडियो ही क्या बनाया, बुक लिस्ट पे। बुक लिस्ट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, हमारी जर्नी हमें एकदम ऊपर नहीं जाना है, सबसे पहले हमें स्मॉल स्मॉल स्टेप्स लेके बढ़ना है आगे, राइट। सो जो लोग भी अपने क्लास 12 से अपने गोल्स के लिए ओरिएंटेड होते हैं कि हाँ हमें करना है, टू क्रैक इट, और अगर ये बेनिफिट पॉइंट इज दैट अगर आपका क्लास 12 में 11-12 में आपका स्ट्रीम ह्यूमैनिटीज है देन तो आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा है। आप अपने बोर्ड्स के बाद ही आप इन चीजों को एक बार रिवाइज करके आप फिर एडवांस बुक पे धीरे धीरे यू कैन मूव ऑन। Okay, so you can see for class 11-12 we have 2 books, and for class 12th also the same. Okay, so हमें ये सारी बुक्स तो कवर करनी ही है, it is must. Okay, ये हमारा टारगेट है। और